Today we are gathered here to discuss about something which is related to our AgPrivilege program. As you know, you are attending a lot of CMEs and conferences during your career, but this program is something different because here we are not going to talk anything related to technical things because this is purely related to our mobile app that is called as AgPrivilege. So here you can see that I think majority of the customers are using this program, this particular application. So I don't want to go into that particular the topic in a detailed way, but I would like to say a few points. This particular program, this is not only for getting or earning points. Here you can get a lot of other benefits, like you can get some benefits in terms of AGMC. You can get some points in terms of whenever you are reaching to some higher numbers. So, as you know, this is a mobile app which we can download from iStore or Play Store, and the two purpose that is mainly one is scanning and the second one is for the complaint registration. These are the major two benefits, and I know that majority of the customers are using this particular app for scanning and earning the reward points. So that is the first point for first benefit, and apart from that, there is an option to register your complaints. Means if you are facing any technical issues or any hardware issues which is related to our instrument, then you can raise your complaints through this particular app. This is the second benefit of this. Then you can see some of the product details here. You can download the kit literature and you can refer the normal range of those parameters. Then you can see some of the videos which is related to this product. And again, apart from that, you can check the status of your instruments, like the date of warranty expiry and the complaint which is registered for the particular instrument and the tag which we took to give the resolution for the particular concerns. All those things you can see here. So these are the few benefits which is related to our mobile app. So before going to this next topic, I would like to give you a summary or the journey of this particular AgPrivilege, because we started this particular AgPrivilege program with a normal membership card with the stage of beginning, and that was on 2015, and then later we introduced a mobile application, means it's an automated mobile program, and that is introduced during 2016. Then from there onwards, all our customers could able to scan those kits and they could able to redeem all those points in the form of reagents or some of the vouchers. Then we modified and we come back with one updated version that is on 2021, and again this 2021 we came with a lot of new added features like AG Care, that is related to the customer complaint registration, then product query and some of the virtual demos. All those things we added during 2021, and then we added the scanning for our consumables and PM kits, that is related to our instruments. Yeah. So now again, few more points or few more features we added, and now we can see the summary of this particular journey. Right now, 25,000 plus customers are enrolled in this particular program, and almost 14,000 plus customers are scanning their reagents, and on a monthly basis, around 250 customers are redeeming their points in the form of reagents. So this is the latest summary of this particular program. And again, as I said, now we included some of the points which is related to our service and AMCs. Suppose if you are using our instruments, then normally you are paying the AMC amount and you are getting the service. But apart from that, we introduced one more offer like AGMC, means whatever money you are spending for this AMC amount, that you can redeem in the form of this particular reagents through this app. So this particular facility also we recently added. Depends upon the points. We categorizing these customers. So below 500 points, it's coming under normal category, AGP normal customer. Then if their scanning points is coming between 500 and 2500, then they are coming into the bronze point. But again, there is no much changes in the earnings. But whenever they are entering into silver category, they are getting 25% extra points, bonus points, And the same way, suppose if if they are closing 5,000 points, they will get around 35% extra points, bonus points. And whenever they are closing, or whenever a customer is closing 75,000 rupee points, then they will get around 60% extra bonus points. And here, one thing you have to understand that we are not charging anything for this. We are not asking anything from you. Only thing is that we are just requesting you to scan the barcode. That's all. So this is all about our membership. Now we can see some of the top class customers, those who earn the points across India, and means this particular program is established across India, and as I said, 14,000 plus customers are scanning or redeeming their points on a regular basis. So this is all about the summary of the particular application. Now we are going to add lot of again new innovation into this. We are coming with again scratch card and some club membership reward programs, AGMC, then wonder warranty, and some of the reward panels. A lot of new things are coming on coming days. So this is again all about the process and the facilities which we are providing to this application. Apart from that, I would like to highlight the service part, because I am heading this particular division. So as I know, there is a term, or there is a menu called AgCare in our mobile app. It is highlighted with the red color. So suppose if you are facing any technical issues with our reagents or instrument, we just click there. Then there will be a different two options like reagent and instrument. And if it is related to reagent, you can click there and you can raise your complaint then and there itself. So through this, we are trying to improve the time, and we are trying to avoid these unnecessary phone calls and emails and all. So the purpose of this particular application is to give the better service to the customer, and as I mentioned, we want to give faster service and we should be transparent. So whenever you are clicking this particular application, you can see the login time, you can see the closure time, you can see the complaint history, then even instrument details, sub which you can see it in that particular app. So that's why I said we are very transparent, and all those things, it will be visible in your mobile itself. So this is all about the registration of your complaints, and once it is registered, we are having around 17 engineers there in back office, and these complaints are coming to these people. And right now, 91% of our customers are registering their complaints to this application, and 8% are again still following our traditional toll-free number. Still, we are continuing it, and 1% of customers are writing or raising their complaints through email. So majority of the complaints, as I said, 91% complaints are coming through this app, and straight away these complaints are going to or reaching to our division called CTS. As I said, 17 engineers are sitting there, and they will call all those customers within 30 minutes. That is the timeline which we assign for the CTS team, and they will call the customers directly over phone. And if it is possible, they will try to rectify the problem over phone itself, but that is related to application calls only, not related to any hardware issues. So right now we can see that 31% of our complaints are handled by our dedicated back office team over phone itself. But as I said again, it is mainly related to application call only, not related to any hardware. And if it is a hardware call, then they will assign the calls to the concerned engineer who is related to or nearby that particular area, and then this engineer is going and attending those complaints. So once it is assigned to engineer, then there is a term called tag. Okay, that moment onwards, the countdown is going to end or it start. So for a headquarter calls, we kept a target of or tag of 12 hours, and for extensions and outstation, we kept a tag of 24 hours. Means as per the company policy, we have to attend all those calls within 24 hours. This is the timeline which we kept for our engineers. But this is the normal tag. But if it is very urgent, if it is critical, or if it is chronic, then our engineer may reach little earlier than this. That is purely depends upon the situations and the scenario. So this is a process which is happening in our back office as well as in our field. Now, one more innovation we are bringing here in terms of service, because this particular logo is familiar for all of us, because this is something related to the customer rating, and whenever you are buying any product or any service, there will be an option to rate, right? So we are bringing the same system in our mobile app. So here also you are getting a chance, or you are having all power to rate our service. If you are not happy, you can rate even 0 also. Even if you are happy, you can rate even 4 and 5 also. That's up to you. So this particular system we brought in our application, because if you are doing mistakes, we want to correct it, and for that we require your valuable feedback. So that's why we implemented the system. And one more thing we added here, like suppose if one of our engineers is getting always more than 5 rating, then there will be a dedicated badge for them, and this particular engineer will be there in the field with that particular field of the particular badge throughout the year. So that particular the system also we recently introduced. But everything is purely related to your rating, and as you said, this rating is mainly for a better improvement, and as well as for giving a motivation to our field engineers. So this is all about again innovation, because Agappe is always coming with a lot of innovative products. Because during our initial discussion, our MD was talking about Mispa 2 and I3, because that was an innovative product from us. Then he was referring about again one of the magazine Tech Agappe, that's also again an innovative product only from us. So here also you can see some of the innovations. I would like to summarize the purpose of these applications and this rating. First of all, we want to expand, or we want to respond to our calls in a faster way. The second purpose, our customers should get the faster service. That's the purpose of this particular application. Then again, we are ready to accept the mistakes if you are doing it, and we are ready to correct it also. Then we value your association, and we want to be there with you, and that's why we are coming with all these innovative mobile applications as well as this type of rating also. And through this application, again, you are getting a chance to interact with the company throughout the day. Means 24 hours, 24 into 24/7. You can respond to your complaint, or you can escalate your complaint to the back office or the manufacturer. Means Agappe. So this is the main purpose of this application. So again, I'm coming back to my earlier discussion, because Agappe is an innovative company. We are coming with a lot of innovations. So now one more innovation we recently brought, that is called as AgPrivilege. Normally, all those IVD company, they are dealing with only customers and they are selling IVD related products, correct? So that is quite natural. But Agappe, again, as I said, we are innovative. Now we are coming with a postgraduate diploma course for BTech and graduates colleagues. And so the purpose, again, we want to create industry ready skills for the medical industry. And this particular program, this is again happening through 3 associates. Like one is RSET, that is Rajgiri School of Education and Technology, then Agappe and Kerala Government ASAP. So through these 3 collaborations, we are coming with this postgraduate diploma in applied medical science, and this is a course for 6 months, and per year there will be two intakes. And if you are having any candidates, you can refer to us, and this course will be conducted there in Rajgiri School of Campus, that is based at Cochin. And this is the basic or the qualification which is required for this particular course. So if you require any further details which is related to this course, you can come back to us, and you can refer your friends or colleagues or students. And this is all about again the innovation which we recently introduced. So that is all from my side, and wish you all the best. Good day.